Hey everyone, this is Tim from oroappx Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clap to find your phone. So just go to the Google Play Store right here, and then type in clap to find my phone in here, and you can whistle or clap to find it. So we can just install this. And there's a few other applications. All these pretty much contain ads at this point, so you can just see which one you like, but I've been using this one, so we can just open this up. And then you're going to see some ads on here. Just don't click any of them. And when this loads up, all you have to do is accept the permissions and then go to activate, and then you should be good to go. So let's just go to next, next, next. Then there might be some permissions for you, but all I have to do is click this. Then go to while using this app. Then I'm going to allow notifications. Go to set. Scroll on down to clap to find my phone. So here it is. Go to this. And then we can go back now. And you can see it wants to set up some of this stuff. Let's just open this up. Or we can just swipe back. And then once it starts up, there should be a little activation button. And then we should be good to go. The function is activated, tap to close. So let's try it out. And it stops when you clap again. So if you want to just find it quickly. So if you scroll on down from the top, you can find it under the notifications. And click here to activate. So just try this out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below.